This isn't just a decoration. Hidden beneath the sand, a metal sphere moves automatically across the surface, creating intricate patterns that continuously evolve throughout the day. Every design is different, turning an ordinary desk into a living piece of artwork. You can customize movement speed, pattern playlists, and even the built-in lighting directly from your phone. The motion is almost silent, making it perfect for workspaces, bedrooms, or anywhere you want a more relaxing atmosphere. It's part sculpture, part technology, and part endless visual entertainment. This looks like a normal Rubik's Cube, but it's actually packed with smart technology. Built-in sensors track every move you make in real time and connect to your smartphone through an app. The cube can teach beginners how to solve it step by step, track your progress, and even let you compete against players from around the world. It knows exactly how fast you're turning, records your best times, and provides detailed statistics after every solve. What started as a classic puzzle has become an interactive training system that helps anyone solve a Rubik's Cube faster than ever before. Most reusable water bottles eventually develop odors, bacteria, and that unpleasant smell nobody likes. This smart bottle solves the problem using built-in UVC light technology hidden inside the cap. Every few hours, it automatically activates and helps keep the bottle cleaner by reducing bacteria and odor-causing microbes. You can also manually start a cleaning cycle whenever you want. The double-wall insulated design keeps cold drinks cold for hours and hot drinks hot for longer, while the rechargeable battery can last for weeks on a single charge. It's not just a water bottle, it's a self-cleaning bottle designed to stay fresher with almost no effort. This looks like a normal bathroom mirror, until the screen hidden inside the glass suddenly comes to life. While brushing your teeth, doing your hair, or getting ready for work, you can watch videos, check the weather, browse the internet, listen to music, or even open apps directly on the mirror itself. The built-in touchscreen lets you control everything with a tap, while adjustable LED lighting helps create the perfect brightness for any time of day. It's waterproof, anti-fog, and designed to work even in steamy bathrooms. What looks like an ordinary mirror is actually a giant smart display hiding in plain sight. Cleaning large windows is one of those jobs almost nobody enjoys. This robot sticks directly to the glass using powerful suction and automatically moves across the surface while cleaning for you. Built-in sensors help it detect window edges and plan an efficient cleaning path, so you don't have to guide it manually. Just attach it to the window, press a button, and watch it scrub away dust, fingerprints, and everyday dirt. It can even handle tall exterior windows that would normally require a ladder. Instead of spending time cleaning glass yourself, this robot does the hard work while you do something else. With a single button, your entire room can transform into a miniature universe. This smart planetarium projector fills walls and ceilings with thousands of stars, colorful nebulae, and realistic cosmic scenes that create the feeling of being under a night sky. Different projection modes let you switch between galaxies, star fields, and deep space effects, while adjustable brightness helps create the perfect atmosphere for relaxing, reading, or falling asleep. Instead of looking at a blank ceiling, you can surround yourself with the beauty of space every night. It's like having your own personal planetarium without ever leaving home. At first glance, it looks impossible. The light bulb floats in midair with no visible wires, supports, or strings holding it up. Using magnetic levitation technology, the bulb hovers above its wooden base while slowly rotating, creating an effect that looks straight out of a science fiction movie. The floating bulb also lights up, turning it into both a functional lamp and a conversation-starting piece of technology. Since there's almost no friction, it can spin smoothly for hours while remaining suspended in the air. It's one of those gadgets that makes people stop, stare, and immediately ask, how is that even possible? At first, it looks like a simple USB fan, but the moment the blades start spinning, a bright digital clock suddenly appears floating in midair. The secret is a row of LEDs built into the spinning blades, creating an optical illusion that makes the time seem suspended in space. Just plug it into a laptop, PC, or any USB port, and it instantly becomes both a cooling fan and a futuristic desk gadget. The flexible neck lets you point the airflow exactly where you want it, while the glowing clock display makes it look far more advanced than an ordinary fan. It's a simple idea that still manages to surprise almost everyone who sees it. What if you could copy real-world objects and turn them into digital 3D models in just minutes? The CR Scan Otter is a high-precision 3D scanner that captures the shape and details of physical objects and recreates them on a computer. From small collectibles and toys to larger items, it can scan surfaces with impressive accuracy and generate detailed 3D models ready for design, editing, or 3D printing. Instead of measuring and building everything from scratch, you can simply scan the object and create a digital replica. What once required expensive professional equipment can now fit right on your desk, making 3D scanning more accessible than ever. Swimming underwater normally takes a lot of effort, but this device can pull you through the water with the press of a button. The Seal Lite underwater scooter uses powerful electric motors to propel you forward, letting you glide beneath the surface with far less effort than swimming on your own. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, while the waterproof controls allow you to steer and explore underwater environments more comfortably. Whether you're snorkeling, diving, or simply having fun at the beach, it adds a completely different experience to being in the water. Instead of swimming like everyone else, it feels like you're flying through the ocean. If you enjoyed these futuristic gadgets, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next discovery. Let me know in the comments which gadget was your favorite, and if you'd like to check any of them out for yourself, you'll find all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.